Race 2. Oh, we got some movement up in the top already. It looks like ROSSMAN PEETE going down this time, along with Hagen, and Jones again dropping off.
That's some bad luck.
And the Bugatti comes sliding in. Oh, and he does a little pivot move, and he's out. Took out PAULY Gold in the Lamborghini. Trying to hold on is RAZZY Davis. Oh, Momo in the diaper van. Only here on TreadRacers will you see a diaper van beat a Bugatti.
That move early on by JIMBO bucks, but Momo stayed in it. Power of the diaper. She got that diaper money there.
Now